got a car order from Flipkart. Let's start opening it. It's a Thar. I'm so excited to open it. I'm done opening now. Let's get it outside. Open. Surprise! It's a Thar. Red color Thar car. It's wow, looking cool. What's this for? Nothing. I like it very much. It's so beautiful. You can see a wheel backside. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.